What a beautiful day to come to the beach. I mean, just look at it. Hi guys, welcome to the Fit Rush, and today I'm going to a hidden beach in Haripad. I'm sure most of you might not know that Haripad actually has a beach, but it actually has a small hidden beach over here, and today I'm going to walk and do some small little bit of exercise at the beach and show you guys what that hidden beach looks like. On the way to that particular beach, I spotted this particular boat, so you can have a look. This boat actually it carries vehicles from one place to another. Of course, it can't carry very heavy vehicles, but definitely motorcycles and some small cars or autos it can definitely carry. Now these are all the houses right beside this particular waterfront. I'll just show you. You can see the beach right over there. Very beautiful place. We have reached the beach. Let me just show you what it looks like around over here. This is actually a black sand beach. The sand is black as opposed to the white sand beach that you find in several other beaches. So let's just quickly have a look. So this is what it looks like. It's completely black sand, which makes this very, very unique. And it also has a huge it's like a sand hill, so I will be climbing up that also. It's actually a great exercise to climb that. Whenever I come here, I always make sure to climb that. There's a great viewpoint from there, as well as it makes for a wonderful workout. The waves are very high. They seem pretty rough right now. I'll show you what it looks like. There is a guy who's doing his morning workout over here, but you can see that the waves are extremely high. They are pretty rough today, so I don't think it's safe to get into the water. Now I'm by the beach, and as you can see, the waves are pretty rough today. Complete a black sand beach. You don't often get to see a black sand beach. Uh-oh. Let's get away from the water. I don't want to get dunked in the water in the morning. If you notice these big holes over here, the entire beach is lined with these holes. All of these holes. So as the wave comes in, there'll be a small crab or many other crustaceans that actually get into these holes, and they find refuge in these holes. Right now, I'm just heading to that big sand hill over there, and probably going to climb that sand hill and check out the view from up there. Let me tell you a little about this beach. This place where we are at right now is called Thotapalli. It's about 10 kilometers from Haripad, and it's very easy to find. It's just before the bridge on the way to Alleppey, and currently there aren't any parking locations that's available because there's some work going on. They're making a footpath at the entrance of this place, and once probably the construction is done, I'll show you the construction, what I mean at the end of this video. So once they're done with their construction, there'll be a perfect footpath for people to either walk or get their vehicles. Right now, cars can't get into this place, so you have to walk and come. Park your car at the entrance and then walk and come. Some of these holes that the crabs make are quite big. Probably a very large crab in there. And now we are almost at that sand hill. Going to make our way up. It is a wonderful workout to climb this. By the end of the workout, you will be tired, out of breath. It's a very nice cardio workout. It's much more harder to run or walk on the beach than walking on the road, because you really can't get a footing and you're constantly trying to balance stabilizes the core a lot. What a beautiful day to come to the beach. I mean, just look at it. There's absolutely no one. The entire beach is for yourself. Okay, I have started the climb. This is what the place looks like, and we're going up. There is a small temple there. That's what you're actually listening to, the music in the background. There's a temple right near the beach. You really can't get a footing. Everywhere you step, it just caves in. So finding a footing in this sandhill is a challenge. Oops. But a wonderful workout. We are almost at the top. Yep. We are at the top. Let me show you what it looks like. There's some sand excavation activity going on over here. They're taking a little bit of the beach sand, but you can see the entire coastline all the way there. Okay, so I came on top of this small sand hill and I did a couple of workouts. All of those workouts will be coming in the form of short videos that I'll be doing. This is a wonderful place to meditate also. You can just feel the amazing sea breeze hitting your face early in the morning. It's not hot at all. The sunrise is here. This is actually a sunset beach. So yeah, it's a beautiful place to meditate. You can just hear the sounds of the waves and feeling the breeze hitting your face. It's just absolutely bliss. Alright, so now I'm done with that particular workout and now I am heading down. Going downhill is always much harder than going uphill because you really have to find your footing, and this is pretty steep. But the good part is it's just soft sand, and even if you tumble and fall down, you're not actually going to get hurt. So let's go. Oops. Have to be careful to get our footing. But just to give you a side note, the lockdown has been lifted over here. That's why we are at the beach. So we're not breaking any rules. Alright, now that we're done with the workout and we're down from the hill, it's time to head back home. Watch out for dogs. There are a lot of dogs here. There are dogs everywhere. As this is a beach, you find a lot of seashells. Just look at the colors on this. It's just so beautiful. I think I'm going to keep this as a souvenir. This is absolutely beautiful. I've seen other seashells, like as you can see over here. I don't find any colors on them, but this looks very, very, very nice. This looks like something like a watch, mother of pearl kind of thing going on. Very beautiful. I think I'm going to keep this as a souvenir and remembrance of post-lockdown 2021 beach visits. So this is the road that you have to go to, and as you can see that they are fixing the footpath over here. You can't get your car or bike in here. Maybe you can manage a bike but not a car. There are a couple of residents here, so mask on. As you see, there is a small bridge kind of thing that's there. There's a tiny bridge there. So that's the bridge that we have to go on top of to go back home. Yeah. And I guess I'll be signing off from this particular video today. Hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please drop a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I shall see you again in another video. stay safe, stay fit.